My name is Nancy Ashava. I'm the Underwriting Manager, General Insurance. I work with Old Mutual Insurance, Uganda Limited. That's a very exciting question, and it's a very sensitive one also. But it's very important for employers to prioritize their employees. And I want to believe we've heard of this metaphor that the employees are the backbone or the engine of an organization. So it's very important when employees are motivated, when they're happy, they'll show up differently to execute their tasks. I'll give an example. For people who own vehicles, if you're not servicing your vehicle, if you're not oiling that engine, the engine will not be able to use the fuel to move. So the same way, if an employer is not oiling their employees, there'll be no consistency in their deliverables. They'll not be motivated to work. Then they'll also show up differently when they're doing their tasks, which affects the growth of the organization. So it's very important that employees are prioritized in any organization, however big or however small. And also, we've seen cases where an employee becomes sick. Maybe they're involved in an accident, or they become medically not well. Maybe they have malaria. If there are no covers to protect such employees, to ensure that maybe their medical expenses are catered for, definitely it will affect, first of all, the way they show up. Even you as an employer, it will financially affect you if you've not planned for it. For example, if you've not taken out an insurance policy to cover your employees for such incidents. So it's very important that employers prioritize their employees, because they're the most valuable assets they could ever have. Employers can protect their employees by taking up insurance policies that safeguard the employees. The main policy or the main insurance cover that usually works best for employees is the Workman Compensation cover, which is even a statutory mandate for every employer to actually have in place. So this Workman Compensation cover gives or offers benefits to employees. We look at specific events, however much there are quite a number of riders that we can offer under that insurance package. But the main benefits that we usually focus on include medical expenses. So if your employee is sick and that illness is as a result of what they do on the day-to-day basis, that a Workman Compensation policy could cushion those expenses. Also, if they are injured while going to work or from work, or even while at work, that policy cushions those medical expenses that the employee incurs. And this does not only benefit the employee, but also the employer. Imagine that insurance policy is not in place and your employee is injured at your workplace or at their workplace. It means you would have to pay out of pocket for money that probably you had not planned for, which could lead to a financial strain. But with the Workman Compensation policy that has the benefit of medical expenses, you'll be able to get compensation under that insurance policy. Another benefit that we look at is death. God forbid, we usually, of course, don't wish for people to die, but in the event that an employee of any organization dies, if that organization has a Workman Compensation policy, then they're able to get compensation. Their next of kin or their family members, they get to get the compensation up to 5-year earnings of the deceased employee, which could cushion them also in some of the expenses that they are incurring as a family, and hence even you as the employer, you'll not have to pay out of pocket for such an expense. Then also the policy looks at disabilities. They could be permanent, they could be partial. It also cushions your employees if they are injured or if they sustain any accidents that result into disabilities, the insurance policy also caters for such risks. So you realize that the people being affected, being employees, they affect again the output of the organization. But if such covers are in place, then definitely you'll know that there's a fallback position for an employee, maybe to get proper medication, and then they are back on their feet to run the business. So that's why it's very important that every employer out there takes out Workman Compensation Insurance policy for their employees. I know someone might ask themselves, what if it's an SME company? Yes, we still offer these solutions to those small and medium enterprises. It does not matter how many employees you have. It could be 2, it could be 3, it could be 100. We've seen cases of 1,000 and above. So do not hesitate to reach out should you want to take up this mandatory insurance for your employees. And again, it benefits you as an employer, because if your employees are happy, they will drive the growth of your organization. For employers out there who are interested in purchasing Workman Compensation cover for their employees, all you need 2 things. One, the monthly earnings of your employees and their designations or positions, for us then to issue you with a quotation to guide you on the payable premium. Now, for you to reach us, you can engage us through our toll-free numbers. Our call center works 24/7, so feel free to engage us anytime you prefer. Then for walk-in clients, you can get us at our office premises. Our head office is located at Nakawa Business Park. You can come to Block D, Level 6. Then we have branches. We have a town branch located at Kimathi Avenue. Then we have a branch in Mbarara. We have a branch in Jinja. We have a branch in Hoima. And we have satellite offices in Arua and Gulu. So feel free to go to any of the branches if you need any service. For those that prefer reaching out to us through their intermediaries, don't hesitate to engage them. We'll still serve you through them. We thank you and look forward to doing business with you.